arc reactor. Quartz ring commutative and associative. Hard crystalline mineral composed of silicon and oxygen atoms. The atoms are linked in a continuous framework of SiO4 silicon-oxygen tetrahedra, with each oxygen being shared between two tetrahedra, giving an overall chemical formula of SiO2, forms circular quartz ring commutative and associative. As a circular prism, both the surface and the solid shape created inside can be called a cylinder. The quartz cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with two round shapes at either end and two parallel lines connecting the round ends. V equals R2H. Therefore, the quartz area of a circular ring equals R plus R, where R and R are the radius of the outer circle and the inner differential size circular quartz cylinder MHD fluid chamber. Electromagnetic induction electromotive force applies to quantum mechanics electric current to the windings. Direction in the rotating windings each half turn, a steady rotating force, torque, is produced. Synchronous motor type brushless commutator bearing R. The quartz crystal having an embedded electrically conductive element is silver number 47. Classified as a transition metal bipolar junction transistor commutative buzzbridge collector and emitter. Terminals of the NPN are connected to the base, collector and emitter of the plug-and-play. Reverse the power supply polarity which may change base current by a factor of 10 or more. Associative is a circular. This includes permanent magnets enclosed within the quartz crystal rotary ring. Degrees of freedom, DOF, within liquid iron reservoir. Electromagnetic induction generating electric current with a magnetic field. It occurs whenever a magnetic field and an electric conductor, such as a set of 11 coil of wire fixed alongside the exterior housing of the quartz crystal commutator chamber shaft. Armature is quartz crystal bearing conductive silver ring embedded within the prism core. The quartz crystal is separate within the liquid chamber having degrees of freedom, DOF. Rotates, MHD, quantum mechanics electromotive electromagnetic induction force move relative to one another. Magnetic field induces currents in a moving conductive fluid MHD. Subject base on mechatronics fluid rotary MHD. Of motion, revolving around a center or axis. Rotational. Adjective. Turning or capable of turning around on an axis as motion. Magnetohydrocaloric dynamics drive MHD generator electrically conductive hydrogen propellant. Lorentz force accelerates all charged positive and negative hydrofluids in the same direction. Fluid is meaning magnetic field, hydro meaning water, and dynamics meaning movement. DC positive and negative electrode-electrical energy to cause chemical reactions. The electrochemical cells which generate an electric current. Voltaic cell occurs of water is its decomposition to give hydrogen and oxygen gases due to the passage of an electric current. 2H2O plus electrical energy, plus heat energy. O2 plus 2H2. Electric effects on water. MHD synchronous motor hypersonic 3000 miles per hour and Mach number Mach greater than 5, m greater than 5. Hypersonic MHD relating to speeds of more than 5 times the speed of sound. Mach, relating to sound frequencies above about 1,000 million Hz. There, MHD, fluid motor rotates a synchronous electromagnetic induction ring permanent magnet bearing synchronous motor, BMSM, of permanent magnets embedded in the silver ring rotor to create a constant magnetic field. The silver element using piezoelectric elements, having bisynchronous electromagnetic induction, MFD. Charge piezoelectric effect ring core 11-phase coil stator terminal AC/DC rotation rectifier electromotive electrical energy winding force waveguide ring armature pyroelectric energy crystal cell housing Peltier cooler magnetohydrocaloric dynamics energy liquid winding a bit more than 3 gigajoules per charge. The stator sodium tungsten energy crystal cell bearing charge silver ultracapacitor core of tungsten crystal energy cell electron ground. The ring-shaped tungsten crystal translate piezoelectric effect energy crystal cell bearing gadolinium magnet coupled to the crystal ring exterior, MAC, bearing DC silver coil transformer winding synchronous stator crystal ring freedom for rotation within MHD fluid magnetohydrocaloric thermodynamics drive a radiation MFD-DFM electrode synchronous metallic charge. The lower electrolysis chamber hydrogen reservoir. inventor Jermaine Morton designed.